to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a new box on my channel, and it is the AIA Beauty Bundle here. And this is a new box to my channel anyway. But this is a box that features products with collaborations with different beauty brands monthly. The box costs $35 a month, and I actually signed up for this box, guys, actually last month in January when they did their collaboration with Nutrium. And I always wanted to try out that brand because I heard about it when I was watching a YouTube video for Dr. Alexis Stevens, who happens to be a dermatologist, and she talked about some of the products from that line, and I always wanted to try it out. And I thought the value was great because they do these collabs. You pay $35 a month for your box, but to be able to try a whole brand's collection of products, I think that's pretty dope. Your money's pretty much well spent if you want to try out a new product. So I said, why not? So I did sign up for 3 monthly boxes. So technically this is my second box. So I'm kicking that off here on the channel because I signed up kind of in late January, and I didn't see the point of showing you the box when it came because it was like the end of January. But they were very quick about getting my box out to me, so I would say shipping is very good with them, and they send you the email right away letting you know when your box is coming out to you. But for now, guys, we're going to get right into this box. But if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy unboxings and hauls, this is the channel for you. I love trying out different makeup and getting different subscription box. And I brought my videos to YouTube so I can share with the rest of you what I am receiving in my box in case it's different from what you get in yours. So if you enjoyed that, then this is the channel for you. Hit that like and subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I post. I do post weekly, and I have plenty of other boxes coming up. So we're going to get right into this box right here. So guys, when you get this box here in the mail, this is exactly how it comes to you. On the back, they just stick a label on it, and it's taped up, and you just receive it just as it is. So when you pop it open, it does have some packing foam, and this is what you see when you first get your box. So like many of the other boxes, this one does come with a card. The card mentions the Jason Wu Beauty collab for the month of February, and shows you briefly what's in the box. And on the back, like some of our other boxes, you get information about what the products are, how they're used, and their value. So we're going to get right into this thing. So I'm going to start off with the first product here. This is the Magic Matte Oil. So guys, I'm also going to insert some videos of me actually using some of the products. So this product here I thought worked very good. This product has a retail value of $16, and it's called the Magic Matte Oil. And it says the Magic Matte Oil for oily matte instantly. Oily to matte instantly, my fault. Like it's magic. Yes, oil, but matte. It's a vegan formula, and it can be worn alone or as a makeup primer. So for today's look for this video, I did start out with this product and used it as my makeup primer. And so far, I'm pretty happy with this product. I've had my makeup on for about 2 hours now, or a little over 2 hours now. And I have an oily skin where I have an oily T-zone. And normally around my nose area, like I literally start seeing my makeup break up around there because of the oil. And so far, I am still matte. There is no makeup breaking up. So to me, it did its job. I'm very satisfied with this product. I'm glad I got to use it. I cannot wait to try this out in the summertime, because then I'm gonna really put this baby to the test, because that's when I'm extra oily. But it did a great job. I'm very satisfied with this product. So if you guys get this, try it out. The next product I'm going to pull out, guys, is called the Bush. And this is a brow soap that you use to kind of hold your brows in place. It has a $14 retail value, and I'm just going to pop it out of its packaging here just so I can show you. Now guys, this product I did not review today in the videos just simply because I barely have any eyebrows. My eyebrows are not unruly because there's barely any hairs there. But this is what the product looks like. So if you guys have some unruly hair on your eyebrows, this product is supposed to help keep it in place. Basically, you're just going to mist the product here, and you're going to run your brush or your spoolie through and run that product through your brows and shape them as you would like them to stay in place. And this product is supposed to hold them in place. So this product does have a value of $14. So guys, I'm moving on. Our next product here that we have is, I did go in and use the Jason Wu. We have the makeup palette here, for the eyebrow palette rather, and this is called Flora 9. This is matte agave, and this palette retails for 15 bucks. And I think that's pretty reasonable for an eyeshadow palette. I did use it today to create my look. Flora 9, the verbiage is basically, it's an eyeshadow palette with 9 shades that are fully pigmented, easy to blend, and buildable. With a beautiful curated palette of earth tones, the matte shades are perfect for creating looks for day and night. And guys, I used this palette and I did use these 2 shades here. Honestly, as a pretty brown girl, I just did not feel like this palette was really giving for me. These tones are so matte and almost to my skin tone. I just really didn't feel like I could really get anything out of this palette in terms of the colors where they're really showing up really good on me. So I did make my makeup look. I did use this dark one here and this one here, and you guys will see me putting it on now. But basically I used the 2 colors and blended them kind of together, and it was so I decided that I should just go ahead and put on like a shimmer for one of my other colors, because it just, I don't know, I felt like it wasn't there. Almost like on camera, I just felt like it didn't even look like I put anything on other than when I put the dark color on. And I just didn't feel like it was really giving for me. I felt like this was a boring palette for my skin tone. Just kind of like, I mean, for my lighter skin ladies, I think this would be a great palette for you. If you have paler skin, I think this would be a great palette for you. But for my complexion, I just felt like this was a boring palette. It really didn't add any extra value to my look. So that was just my opinion. However, I did find that the formula was very easy to blend. It was easy to work with. I just felt like the colors just really weren't working for my skin tone for me to really get much out of this palette. So for me, this probably was a out of the box. So on to our next products, guys. So also in this box, I thought we got something that was really cool. So Jason Wu has these Save by the Patch patches in here. Now these are for your acne blemishes, which I thought was actually dope that would put that in a box. And basically these cost $12, and it says Save by the Patch is a soothing blemish patch infused with tea tree oil and salicylic acid. So these are transparent. I think this is awesome. This is something everybody can use. You get a total of 36 patches in the box. Because I discovered my new friend retinol, I haven't really been getting any breakouts. So, but next pimple I get, I will definitely be trying out these. So I'm glad to have these. I think that was awesome. The next 4 products in the box, I actually kind of paired them together. So we did receive 2 lip liners. The lip liners, one is called Stay in Line Royal, and they both retail for $10, and the other is called Stay in Line Parisian Chic. So I did pair them with the lipsticks that we received in the box. So you'll see me using them on the video right now. And then Stay in Line is more of a nude, and the other color, which is Stay in Line Royal, is a mauve nude, and the Stay in Line Parisian Chic is more of a nude. So I did pair them together with the Hot Fluffy is what their lips, this particular brand of lipstick is. And they provided us 2 colors. They provided us Jelly Roll and Eclair. Now, I thought the lip liners went on really great. They were easy to work with. I feel like once you blotted your lips, the product did move right into place. I didn't feel like it was moving out of the lip line area, though I thought it stayed in place very well. I'm probably not a fan of the color. Which one is the one I don't like? I think it's this one here. The Parisian Chick. Was it that one? Yeah, I think it's this Parisian Chick one, which is the straight up nude. I didn't care for that one too much. And I did pair it with the Hot and Fluffy, I believe the Eclair color. And I didn't kind of like them two together. So maybe I should have tried it in reverse with the other two. But I paired together the Stay in Line Royal, which is the mauve nude, with the other color, the Jelly Roll Mulberry Violet. I did like those two together. Ultimately, I took both of them off for the look that I have on right now. And what I basically did was take another lip liner from another brand that's more of a berry color and line the outside of my lips. Then I went back in with this Hot and Fluffy Eclair color, and I just kind of put it in the middle and blotted my lips together till they kind of blended together to create the look that's on my lips right now. But I thought both of the products worked it really, really well. The lip liner worked it well, and the tip is kind of soft, so be careful with that. And then on the lipsticks, the tips, these lipsticks are kind of soft too. And I actually did break off the tip of one after I filmed, which is funny. But be careful when you go to use these lipsticks because they're very soft, so you may actually break it off if you apply too much pressure. I don't think you need much. So guys, this is my box. This is what I received, and the best part about AIA, I think, is that they tell you what's coming in a box, so you know what you're getting. Everyone gets the same thing, so there's no surprises there. But I really enjoyed trying out the Jason Wu line, which was new to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My favorite product probably out the box is definitely going to be this Magic Matte Oil. And I did like the jelly, the Hot Fluffy, what is this? The Jelly Roll color, which is more like a mulberry violet color lipstick. I did enjoy that. Wasn't too much of a fan of this Eclair color because I thought it was too nude on me. I do like the fact that we got the acne patches, so I thought that was dope. And I did like the fact that we had the lip liners too, because I felt like at least they gave you enough product in the box that you can really get a good vibe whether or not you like this brand or not. Maybe not all the colors, but you know, at least you could try out the products and see how they work for you. So guys, if you got this box, let me know which products were your favorite. Which looks did you like on me, and which ones didn't you like on me? Hit me up in the comments and let me know. And let me know how the products worked out for you guys. I would love to hear how everything worked out for you if you got the AIA box. But guys, until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and I will see you later on this month with some other videos. So if you enjoyed this one, hit that like and subscribe, and you'll be up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But until next time, guys, bye.